Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be doing Cambridge IGCSE May-June 19, paper 3-2, the spreadsheet task. The spreadsheet task starts from step 14 or task 3. We are going to prepare a spreadsheet for Superdisk sales. This company makes and sells storage devices. The company will use a spreadsheet to compare. All the prices must be displayed as euros with 2 decimal place. Open and examine the files. So let us open the files. These are the files SSD and SSD manufacturer. In the file ssd.csv, insert 2 new rows at the top. So this is SSD. Let us display all the elements properly. Click at this corner and double click here so that everything will be displayed. Now we have to insert 2 new rows at the top. So select 2 rows at the top, then right click, insert. So 2 rows are inserted. Enter in cell A1 the text. So the given text has to be entered there in cell A1. So enter the text here. Merge cells A1 to G1. A1 till G1 you can select. Click on merge cell. Format the merge cell to have a white 30-point serif font on a red background. So serif font, I'll choose Times New Roman, 30 point. So the size should be set as 30. The font color is white. This is the font color, white, and the background color is red. Format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. So we have to set everything in this way. So you can see row 2 is partly visible here. So row 2 should be partly visible this way. And you can see all these labels in row 3 are little more bigger than the data. You can see this one, the size is 11 here. So we can make this little more bigger, make it 12. Now all these are, except the numbers, all are left aligned and these are right aligned. All are similar. So the formatting is done. Save this spreadsheet with the file name SDS. So we have to save this with this name. So file, save as, save it as a Excel workbook and the name is SSD_SSD and you have to give your candidate number and center number. Save. Now next, place your name, center number and candidate number center aligned in the header. So insert, header and footer, center aligned. You have to give your name, center number and candidate number center aligned in the header. The text created on followed by automated date, then a space and then the automated time in the footer. Left aligned in the footer. So scroll down. On the left side we have to type created on, then on design tab you can find current date, then followed by a space, and then current time. Now click somewhere inside the data, you can see the date and time. Click on view and normal to come back to the normal view. In cell C4, use a function to look up the manufacturer's name. Use the M-code column for the lookup value and the external file SSD manufacturer. In cell C4, we have to use a VLOOKUP function because we need to look up the manufacturer name from this file. So it is given like this. So it's a VLOOKUP function. Lookup value is the M code, it's given, and the table array is the file, manufacturer file. So select the data, and manufacturer is in the second column. So column index is 2 and range lookup is 0. Give OK. Next, in cell G4, use a formula to calculate the price per gigabyte for this drive. Price per gigabyte. So in G4, this is G4. So this is the price and this is the capacity. So you can give equal to price divided by capacity. This is price per gigabyte. So this is the value. Round this value down to 2 decimal place. So we can use the round down function. Round down. So this is the format number comma number of digits. We'll give comma 2 decimal places. So this is rounded down to 2 decimal places. This is the formula. Next step, replicate the functions used in step 16 and 17. So this we have to replicate, and also this function. Apply appropriate formatting to rows 4 to 108 of the spreadsheet. So for the formatting, you know the price must be set as euros. So select all the data here. Right click, format cells, currency, set it as euro. Euros with 2 decimal place. So this is euro with 2 decimal place. Next, save your spreadsheet. Print the entire spreadsheet showing the formulae. So in order to show the formula, click on formulas, show formula here. Make sure every formula is visible by clicking here. Click at this corner, double click on any border. So all the formula will be visible clearly. Save your spreadsheet. Print the spreadsheet showing formulae. It is in landscape orientation. Row and column headings are displayed. So when you are printing, you have to click on File, Print. It should be landscape. So set it as landscape. Click on Page Setup. Go to Sheet. You can click on Row and Column headings to display the row and column heading. If you want to show the grid line, you can click on Grid Lines. Give OK. Here you can see only one column is not visible here. So let us go to Scaling, fit all columns on one page. So now the complete formula is visible. This is the printout. Next step, print the entire spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page wide and is 2 pages tall. So let us remove the formula now. Go to formulas, deselect this option. So here we can make it portrait, and in order to fit it on a single page wide and 2 pages tall, go to page setup. Here we have fit to 1 page wide by 2 pages tall you have to give OK. So that is done. Now next, so this is the printout 3. Next one, extract only the drives made by Samsung or OZT that cost under 200 euros with more than 250 GB of storage capacity. So let us go back. We have to extract. So in order to extract, we have to filter, go to data, filter. It should be manufactured by Samsung or OZT. So click on manufacturer, go to text filters, equals Samsung or equals OZT. Give OK. Next condition is that cost under 200 euros with more than 250 GB of capacity. So this is the price. Click here, number filters, less than, that cost under. So click on less than 200. Give OK. So this is the models with cost less than 200 and more than 250 GB. So capacity you have to click, text filters, sorry, number filters greater than 250. OK. So this is the required data. Now we have to sort the extract into ascending order of manufacturer, then ascending order of price. So click on sort here, data, sort. So sort by manufacturer first, ascending order. So this is ascending order. Next, ascending order of price. So click on add level, then price, ascending order, smallest to largest. Give OK. So now it is sorted. This is the required data which has to be printed. So you can print this. This is the end of the task. Thank you.